Welcome back to Goldfries, and in this video we'll be looking at the TeamGroup T-Force Xtreem ARGB memory kit. With me is the 3200 MHz CL16 model, and as you can see, the finish is glossy and it's a huge fingerprint magnet. But the kit itself is very beautiful when lit. As to how awesome it looks, it depends on your motherboard's software, as TeamGroup has terminated their RGB control software. Heads up to you guys, I'll be having a video to show you how to control your TeamGroup memory kit's RGB LED. Do subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that. Now, as for the memory, it performs as expected, and I could tune it to 3266 CL14, which I think it's pretty good for a 3200 MHz kit. And the performance improvement is slight on DaVinci Resolve, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? Alright, so we come to the end of this video. Over at Amazon, I saw it at around US 115, which I think is a good price point for a memory kit as such, and seeing that you can overclock it a little bit as well. But over in Malaysia, the price tag is RM 589 thereabouts, and that's a hefty price tag to pay for a 3200 MHz 2x8 gigs kit. So I'm giving it a gold badge based on the US pricing, but over in with this Malaysian pricing, it's a no-go, bronze badge at most, because at 589 really you have a lot of other better options around, like those many other 3600 MHz kit. So alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.